doable though. It's mostly down the runway, that's all that matters to me. What is it? What did he say?
It looks windy.
It's a breeze. It's alright, it's a breeze.
Tire clear.
Really?
We're supposed to argue.
You're gonna argue?
We're supposed to argue, Frank. Uh-oh, he's talking about you.
It's now windy. Alright, let's go.
Does it feel tail heavy? It does feel tail heavy. There we go. Whoa, damn. What the heck was that?
I was trying to get into a flat spin. It worked for a second.
You've got more punch than I do.
How is that possible?
I don't know. I think I might have done a bad job on the connector on this. There we go. Right there. I'll keep going straight so we won't do circles around each other. Alright, I'm doing a fast pass, or you want me to wait?
I'll be right behind you.
Woo! Maybe the pack was cold. Sorry. Because now it's doing alright.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Light pack 22.6 volts.
It worked.
Light pack 22.5 volts. Temperature 75.
Oh yeah, it's tail heavy. Oh yeah, big time. Because when I pull too much elevator, the nose just whips right up. I can't fly with these batteries. I gotta use the 4000s. I can barely pull up. If I pull too hard, it stalls it. I mean, it's bearable. It's too much throw for this lightweight.
Dude, that was some sweet passes.
They were. I just got the pizza pan syndrome right now. I'm looking right at it, so I gotta move it next flight. Let me step ahead of this thing. I'll be really low. Whoa, almost fell over.
It
Did not like that.
did not like that.
It's a.
It did not like that. It was like, nope, nope, nope.
That's what, like last week when I'm oh shit. Oh, did it again.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What are we doing?
Fired.
Okay.
Light pack 22.2 volts. Temperature 84 degrees Fahrenheit.
Nice.
Light pack 22. Gear down. Temperature 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Landing flag.
It's weird coming this direction.
A little.
I like it, but
It feels like I got a long run.
because of where we are. It's harder to line up
Nice.
because I'm not used to it.
Flaps up.
We'll get it.
1 minute over.
Cool. That windsock, like, I don't want to turn the other way. It's a little